Well, hello there. Today I thought I do another lesson for the ukulele. This is a song that I composed maybe, I don't know, 8, 10 days ago, something like that. It's called Since 1979. And I did it in different keys, but I just did a lesson for it in A minor for the guitar. And I thought that it would be easy for me to do another lesson for the ukulele and by just adding a few chords on the sheet and take another picture and send it to Telegram so you can see it. But we'll show you how to play it on the ukulele. So this is an A minor chord. It's similar to like an E minor chord, so one kind of E minor chord on the guitar. So that's an A minor. This is a D minor, which looks like an A minor on guitar. This is a G, which looks like a D on the guitar, and there will be like a G7, which looks like a D7 on the guitar. I'm gonna also use this chord on the 5th fret. If you hold these three, or hold the 5th fret, that will be like a D minor also, which in the guitar will be A minor. And this one, which looks like an E minor on the guitar on the, let's see, 7th fret, will be an E minor. Did I say it should be an A minor? So that's that. Those chords are nice because you can move around the neck, and this is a little bit more advanced than what I would have shown you for the beginner ukulele. But for guitar, this is like the beginning. These chords are for the beginning. So anyways, it has an intro like this. So we go from E, G, A, B, G, A. So you can add an intro like that. And I'll go ahead and sing it, see the chord changes, and hopefully that'll be a good lesson for this song. It's a 6/8 rhythm with the emphasis on the 4th measure, like 4th note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A riff talking about playing guitar from 1979 through the present. I don't fix it myself, but we can settle for minds. I know it can hurt, but I know won't be hurt. I wanna stay warm, 'cause I feel it's rain upon me. But I know I wanna stay warm beneath. Would it be warm? I wanna stay warm beneath. Would it be warm? And that'll be our lesson. I put the chords for the ukulele on Telegram for you, and hopefully this is not a bad lesson for the ukulele. You take care. Bye bye.